Deakin Way is a private street just off Edgeworth David Avenue in Wahroonga, close to amenities, stations, shops, and of course Westfield Hornsby. And I can't wait to show you number 6 Deakin Way. One of only 7 properties in this private complex, number 6 Deakin Way is an oversized Torrens title detached home with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 2 cars accommodation. Upon entering this home, you're immediately greeted with this beautiful dining area, this large living area, and of course doors out onto one of 2 alfresco areas. Coming out of the covered alfresco area into this beautiful outdoor area, which is of course bathed in natural northern sunlight and heading straight back into a second living area. I have to say, the thing I love most about this home is this beautifully renovated kitchen. The best part is this oversized gas cooktop and Italian oven, which I really love. Also, all this space, benchtop space, storage space, high ceilings. This is seriously just a cook's dream. Some storage here, of course 3 bedrooms in this home, but I'm going to show you the master. The theme of this home is this northern sun that's coming into the master bedroom and of course both of the other 2 bedrooms, but this room with high ceilings, built-in robe and of course this beautiful ensuite. Number 6 Deakin Way in Wahroonga is seriously perfect if you're looking to upsize, downsize, a young family looking to get your foot in the door in Wahroonga, or for those of us that are environmentally conscious, a 3.5 kilowatt Tesla Powerwall might be the thing for you. I look forward to meeting you at one of our inspections.